Look into the mirror. What do you see? A genius imprisoned or a dopamine addict doom-scrolling through your very own future? It is time to wake up. Your phone is a prison cell, and the notifications are the bars. Every ping is a theft of your potential, stealing the focus you need to win. 5 years from now, you will still be in this exact position if you do not change. You are living a life designed by others, not yourself. Waking up early isn't just a habit, it is a cheat code in the game of life that you are currently sleeping through and losing daily. The world is moving fast, and while others are distracted by the noise, the elite are preparing in the shadows. Which one are you going to be? Your brain is not weak. It is just running a broken operating system. You have been feeding it garbage and expecting it to produce gold today. Liking photos and watching short clips is burning out your receptors. You are trading your long-term success for cheap rewards that leave you feeling empty inside. Think of your mind like a laptop with 100 tabs open. It is lagging, overheating, and about to crash under the weight of useless information. Monk mode is not a trend. It is a total format of your hard drive. It is the process of reclaiming your brutal focus from the noise. To build the future, you must first delete the past. Resetting your system requires isolation and the courage to step away from the crowd for a while. When you cut the noise, your brain begins to rewire. The fog clears, and for the first time in years, you can see the path ahead clearly. This is the beginning of your 90-day isolation. No excuses, no shortcuts. Just you against your own weaknesses until the transformation is complete and absolute today. Do you want to dominate your career? Then you must follow 3 iron rules. These are non-negotiable foundations of your new empire and your future success. Rule 1. 10 minutes of absolute silence every day. This is how you tame the beast inside your mind and learn to control your negative impulses. Silence is where your power lives. By sitting still, you develop the mental strength to ignore the distractions that defeat everyone else in the modern world. Rule 2. 30 minutes of intense physical training. Your body must be a reliable tool that supports your will, not a cage that limits your potential. Push yourself until your muscles scream. When you master your body, you master your mind. Physical pain is the price of mental invincibility and true growth. Rule 3. Cut off all stimulants and social media. No alcohol, no scrolling, no exceptions. You are here to work, not to be entertained by others. Throw away the poisons that cloud your judgment. You need a sharp mind and a clean soul to navigate the massive challenges that lie ahead of you. This is the army, and you are the commander. There are no rest days in monk mode. You either commit fully or you fail completely today. Now that your system is clean, it is time to work. While your competitors are chasing drama, you will be busy building your global empire and legacy. Lock away your distractions. Deep work is the superpower of the 21st century, and most people have already lost the ability to perform it effectively now. 4 hours of deep work in monk mode is worth more than 12 hours of shallow effort. Quality always beats quantity in the professional world we inhabit. Stay in the zone. Let the hours disappear as you dive deeper into your craft. This level of immersion is where true greatness is actually born annually. This is main character energy. You are no longer an extra in someone else's movie. You are the protagonist, writing your own story with every single keystroke. Notice the difference. Your progress will become exponential. While others stay flat, you are climbing a mountain that they didn't even know existed yet, until now. This is your competitive edge. In a world of short attention spans, the person who can focus the longest will always win the biggest prizes available. Disappear for a while. Let them wonder where you went. When you return, you will be a version of yourself that is unrecognizable and vastly superior. You are becoming more skilled, more focused, and ultimately, more wealthy. Mastery is the only path to true freedom in this chaotic and modern global economy. But be warned, this path is not crowded. You will feel a sense of isolation. You will feel lonely. And that is exactly where you belong now. Loneliness is the price of excellence. Do not fear being disconnected from the noise. Fear being absorbed into the ocean of the mediocre and the average people. Not today. Every time you say no to a distraction, you are saying yes to your future self. Every sacrifice is a brick in your fortress. From up here, the distractions look small. You are rising above the chaos, finding peace in the solitude that others are too afraid to face alone. Every time you hit the snooze button, you are trading your long-term legacy for 10 minutes of meaningless sleep. Wake up and take what is yours. Maintain the energy of a hunter. The world belongs to those who are hungry, those who are disciplined, and those who refuse to be distracted ever. Your internal world must become unshakable. When you master your solitude, nothing the outside world does can ever knock you off your chosen path to success. True confidence doesn't shout. It sits in silence, knowing that the work has been done and the results are inevitable. You are becoming that powerful man. The 90 days are almost up. The version of you that started this journey is gone. In his place, a new force is beginning to emerge now. This was never just a challenge. It was a revolution of the self. You have uninstalled the old software and installed something far more powerful for life. Your body is now a temple of discipline. Your mind is a weapon of precision. You have become the person you once only dreamed of being today. 90 days of fire have forged you into steel. The transformation is complete. You are reborn, ready to dominate every aspect of your professional life and career. Look at yourself now. This is the face of a winner. This is the look of someone who refused to settle for a life of mediocrity anymore. Do not wait for Monday. Do not wait for next year. The revolution starts the moment you decide that enough is enough. Start your journey right now. You have two choices: continue to disappear in the noise, or start your journey to the top. The gate is open. Will you step through today? Join the elite. Master the monk mode. Dominate your future. The world is waiting for the version of you that actually shows up and wins now.